We are in Prague. This is so exciting. I've never been to this city before, but I've been asked to come and speak at the Forum Media Conference tomorrow, talking about Facebook ads, talking about video, my two favourite things. We come to Prague though 2 days in advance to explore this amazing city before speaking at the conference tomorrow. So let's go and I'll show you some of the things we've been up to. One of the most exciting things about this trip is I have Lauren with me. It's my second time speaking in Europe out with the UK, but first time having the lady on a trip with me, so it makes it extra special. Coming out here 2 days before, walking around Prague, exploring Prague before speaking tomorrow.
Oh, there's a Rolls Royce outside.
How does it feel coming to Prague?
Amazing.
Yeah, are you enjoying it so far?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Why?
Just because it's nice to experience a different city.
As amazing traveling and speaking in different countries is, I think when you look at Instagram and you maybe look at normal vlogs and videos, you often see the glamorous side. So the traveling, the seeing new places, the exploring, which is all amazing and does happen. But the reality is I've still got a business to run. I'm still on stage tomorrow and need to rehearse for that. And so there are periods of time where I just have to come into my hotel room like this and just crack on with work when I'd rather be outside. Now, part of that work is preparing and rehearsing for tomorrow. So I've brought my clicker along. I use the bed in the hotel room as my stage and I speak to this beautiful crowd, aka this lovely magnolia wall. So this is the not so glamorous side of traveling and speaking. We've got, in 2 hours, we are heading to the venue just to check it out. That's something I like to do every talk, is get there either the day before or the night before. Check out the venue, see where I'm going to be speaking, what the stage looks like, how many people are going to be in the crowd, all of these different kinds of things. Make sure that it's all nailed down so I can visualize it in the morning so I know what I'm going into and I'm prepared. So it's the morning of the talk, Tuesday morning, 12 o'clock, it's the afternoon of the talk. We're getting a taxi there. I'm due to be on in 2 hours, although I've been told the conference is overrunning, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there, because after the talk, I think I get off stage at 2:45. Our taxi picks us up at 3 for a flight at 5. So it's going to be pretty tight. So we'll see how that goes. Just done my last rehearsal in the bedroom, on the bed, and I'm feeling good. So we'll see what happens on stage. So we're here at the venue in Prague. It's a cool venue, and look who rocks up. These guys, all the way to Prague, and have to bump into these guys. They were on earlier. How did the talk go?
A few technical difficulties aside, I think it went well.
It went well. We tried to break the crowd, kind of worked.
70% of them were broke by the end of it.
Yeah, so they're going to be broken by the time I get on stage, which is pretty cool. You guys said they're quite a quiet audience, so it's going to be fun trying to engage them in that. One bit of advice in life?
In life?
Anything.
Work out like Gavin.
Gavin looks amazingly hard.
I have no idea what Václav just said about me there, so hopefully it was all good things. By a show of hands, who here consumes video content online? That might be your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, porn, YouTube. Everyone in the room. And who here, again by a show of hands, has maybe thought about creating their own video content? That might be for their brand, their personal brand. It might be a vlog, just getting in front of camera. Again, a lot of hands go up, maybe 75% of the room. Now for the golden question. Who here is actually doing it consistently? Can say that they get in front of camera At least say once a week. Nobody. Literally nobody. Okay, interesting. Why am I in a forest speaking about Twitter? Can anyone hazard a guess? Everyone says that. I'm not smart enough for that. No, it's nothing to do with the Twitter bird. Everything about the video is terrible. But I uploaded it. I got over that fear and uploaded it that day. And guess what happened? Nothing. Nobody watched it. Nobody cared. And so I said to myself, all right, okay, is it possible? If in your head you're saying, yes, it is possible, I urge you, embrace the messy and just start. If you embrace the messy, you'll see incredible things happen. Thank you.
So the white one over there. So thank you very much.
No, thank you. That was fun. Literally a flying end. Off stage, and the taxi's in now, right now. So let's go. Time to go back to Scotland. Just off stage, that was great fun. We're now on our way to the airport. Literally, well, we've been in Prague the last couple of days, but was on stage at 2:10, taxi here at 3, was on stage for half an hour, so literally get off stage and go. Really happy with how that went, really happy. I thought, coming into it, I thought the language barrier might have been an issue and audience engagement, interaction, but that wasn't a problem at all actually, really good audience. A few things in my talk that I want to maybe improve on, a few jokes that I need to get better at landing, and just a couple of tweaks to the deck and that sort of things. But as a performance, I'm happy with how it went. Lauren, who's filming this right now, is happy with her boyfriend's performance, so that makes me happy. Boyfriend points. Happy days. Prague has been amazing. I really enjoyed the city, really enjoyed that event. Great venue, great people to work with, and hopefully we'll be back again soon. Thumbs up for Prague. Oh no, you need to.